brief update on this apple sapling that I grafted a while ago with a red apple variety from a gentleman in Wigtown. He was kind enough to give me a few cuttings, to let me take a few cuttings from his tree. And the other ones I weren't successful. But this one, it's in its second year now. I think I did the grafting 2 years ago, not last year if I remember correctly. And I'm happy to see that this one took. It's still early stages and it's growing here at the base of this apple tree. I think it might be a crab apple. We'll see, because this year it has some apples on it, although they look quite big, so we'll see. Maybe they're similar to this beautiful apple tree, which makes really delicious apples. But yeah, it's growing here. I'll probably move it at some point, but I'll let it grow. I mean, it would be ideal if it grows in this spot, because this tree is not in the best health. It's still recovered, because it was in much worse shape when we moved here, and I pruned it really hard and it recovered. So while that is still holding on, this is growing. Hopefully the deer will leave this be and it can develop in a beautiful tree. We'll keep it under observation. But yes, happy to see that the grafting took. I think it was my first attempt grafting in this area. We had a few saplings. As you can see, not all of them were successful. Some dried out. But this one, it's looking good. I did a whip and tongue, I think it's called, the grafting method, as advised by Akiva Silver, who wrote Trees of Power. And I also look forward to chip budding when I'll have more material in the garden to work with. But yeah, this is the update. It's growing here next to the pink Gloire de Sablon currant bush, which is loaded, and I covered it to protect the currants from the birds for now. Look at this beautiful campion flowers, so stunning. The garden is filled with them. I'm gonna go and check on the honeyberries. But yeah, so far successful. We'll see how it does in the years to come. Still a wee sapling. Thank you for watching. Take care.